Have you ever thought about fruits that help in weight loss? Good for your skin, better for digestion, boost your immunity and much more. Yes, this kind of fruit exists. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the new video of Healthy Habits. Today we will tell you about the 9 amazing health benefits of papaya. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Number 1. Help to improve cholesterol. Papayas are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, which helps to prevent increased cholesterol in your body. Disease like hypertension, stroke, and heart attack may occur due to high levels of cholesterol. Number 2. Help in weight loss. Many people think eating fruits leads to weight gain. But that's not true. Weight loss and gain is the game of calories you intake and burn. Papaya helps in weight loss as it contains low calories and also has a low glycemic index. It is a good source of fiber. Fibers make you feel full for a long time and reducing cravings. Number 3. Help to boost immunity. Our immune system becomes better when we feed our body with the right food. Papaya contains vitamin C. Lack of vitamin C may lead to scurvy. Lack of vitamin C also leads to anemia, weakness, skin problems, and gum diseases. Therefore, it is good to have a bowl of papaya regularly to keep this kind of health problem in control. Number 4. Helps in diabetes. Papaya benefits include being immensely helpful for people who are having diabetes. Papaya is low in GI and high in fiber and prevents blood sugar to rise in diabetics. Number 5. Helps in digestion. A good eater must have a good digestion. Eating papaya every day benefits you by improving digestion. Papayas have a digestive enzyme called papain along with fiber, which helps in breaking down food. Number 6. Improves eyesight. Papaya is good for the eyes also. It is rich in vitamin A, and vitamin A is good for your eyes. Eyesight becomes weaker when we age. Eating papaya helps prevent this. For healthy eye health, make papaya a regular part of your diet. Number 7. Prevents wrinkles and signs of aging. Papaya makes you look younger. As it is an excellent source of vitamin C, it helps build collagen in your body. Eating a bowl of papaya every day makes you look younger than your actual age. Do you know apply papaya paste over your face makes your skin soft and glowy? That's why papaya is used in many cosmetics. Number 8. Reduces stress. Feeling stressed? Just have a bowl of papaya and look at the difference instantly. Papaya is rich in vitamin C. It regulates the flow of stress hormones. Number 9. Cancer prevention. Many studies prove that new cancer cell making can be prevented when we intake daily doses of antioxidants, flavonoids, and phytonutrients. Instances of colon and prostate cancer in people are shown to be reduced through regular consumption of papaya. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.